I really should do a bloopers reel. A lot of funny things has happened to me today. Anyway, we probably should speed this up. I think it's going to rain at any minute. Howdy-ho, friends. DJ sent me a gift. As you know, I'm an avid collector of machetes. He PM'd me and said, "Hey, Bob, I got a machete for you. Would you like it?" I said, "Absolutely. I will add it to the collection." And then this huge freaking box showed up. So I'm not sure what kind of machete he sent me, but I cannot wait. There's a squirrel over there. We're going to keep going. We're going to open it up and see what's in there. I have no idea. It could be anything, to be honest with you. It could be a whole mess of machetes or just one. Oh boy. We sure did seal it up awful good. Which is probably a good thing because it looks like the post office pretty much drop kicked this thing. Oh, alright. So, there's more than just a machete in here. Oh my goodness, dude. What have you done? This is actually a little bit of everything. So let's... Okay, this is a tent fan, and I'm pretty sure it was in one piece when he shipped it. Oh, you gotta love the post office. Come on, get in there. This is something I can fix. Actually, this will come in real handy in the dome. I can use this to circle the air. And, oh, and a lavoo, too. Right, we will reassemble that later. Get on there. Hey, I fixed it. Cool. Next item. Oh, my. What is all this? Holy crap. Okay, here's the machete. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is the real deal, friends. Look at that. On there, it's a USA, or USN MK2, and this probably, oh wow, that's nice, look at that. Oh yeah, okay, this is cool. Yeah, this is going in the old collection for sure. Look at that, the original sheath and everything. The stories this thing could tell. Oh my. Okay. Oh my. It just keeps going. Alright, we have to bust out the glasses. I actually need to see what's going on. You know what? Let's put this down here and pull some items out. Okay, so he sent me a mess kit. Inside the mess kit. Okay, there's more to this. This looks like a stove. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Alright, he sent me an oven, basically, is what that is. And here's all the pieces for it. Oh, this is so cool. It's got the gauge and everything, and okay, we're not going to get that out. Oh my, what else have you put in here, DJ? Oh, you sent me one of these purifiers, water bottle purifiers. I've seen these before. Actually, I have something similar to it in my EDC. It just keeps going. A headlamp. Batteries need some maintenance. That shouldn't be any problem. Because, yeah, they're separated from the headlamp. Wow. What is this? Oh! Okay. This is as I tear the bag up, I don't want to break it out. But this is a sleeping bag cover. Oh, that is freaking cool. blanket bed outer liner. All right, so we're not going to open that up and get it sprawled out all over the place. So we're going to put that right there. What? Oh, it just keeps going. It's the never-ending box. Yeah. We got flea and tick wipes. What is this? A cooling neck wrap. Oh, okay, okay. You go wet this towel and you put it around your neck. What else do we got? Oh, okay. Let's go down here and get to the bottom. Got a very nice little compass, which is going to come in handy because I need to replace the one in my pack as I kind of broke it. We've got X-Ivy towelettes for poison ivy, poison oak. We got about a ton of these little guys in there. Oh, we got a nice note. Okay, we need to change his his name from DJ to Big G. Okay. What is this? Oh, is that what I think it is? Yep, it's an old stove. It's an old alcohol stove. Man, look at the size of this thing. Okay, this is really cool. I am definitely going to have to read the instructions on this one. Should pull right, yep, it pulls right up. Oh my, I haven't seen one of these in freaking forever. Where did you find all this stuff? Yep, here's the instructions. Recommended for civil defense shelters. This is something else. I'm kind of afraid to use it. It's in such good condition. Man. What else? Okay, we get in the box. Yes. More stuff for the med kit. Okay. So DJ, I'm sorry, brother. I've been calling you BJ. Instead, he wants to be called the Big G. Man, thanks for all these gifts. I was not expecting this. All I was expecting was the machete, which I'm going to clean up, and this little guy is going into the old collection. This is serious. Oh, we could get... Okay, I'll go through these later. Wow. Hey, I wonder... Yeah, I bet it would. It would work with this stove perfectly. I've got a lot of new gear to try out, friends. I am once again overwhelmed. I cannot thank you enough, Big G. I really appreciate all these items. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll be seeing the stove and the oven in a very near future video. This we can use in the lavabo after I put it together. The other items, headlamp, that can go in the EDC. This I can use during the summer months. This will go in the EDC. The bug wipes will come in real freaking handy. Wow. Hey, thanks a lot, brother. I really appreciate it. I'm probably going to spend about 10 minutes, 20 minutes here just messing with this stove. Okay, we're going to wrap the video up before it starts raining on me. Comments are more than welcome. And like always, friends, thanks so much for freaking watching. So cool. Now for the big question. How the heck am I going to get that camera out of the tree? Let's see. Try not to fall is the main goal. Come around here. You should have seen me putting it up there. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Well, maybe. I sure didn't put it up this way. It would have been a lot easier. Whew. Oh, there we go. Turn you off.